Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add threads in Instagram bio. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's open our Instagram app. Now go to your profile. And then there you will see I have already pinned my threads on my bio. Now if you want to do that, just click this edit profile right here. Now from there you will see this option. Just make sure to turn on this one. And then you will see your thread account pinned on your bio. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.